Hello guys, we are talking about the difference between method, pedagogy and didactic. Let's start. The method is the manner which the teacher searches to find out the knowledge. Is the way where the teacher find the knowledge. In fact, there isn't a good or a bad method. It depends that the teacher and the classroom want. Method is included in the school curriculum. The method has an curricular objective for the learners. For example, they will be learn a high level of vocabulary. The method must contain an objective. The second one is the didactic. The didactic is the way to organize the knowledge for a meaningful learning. Three things about the didactic. Many people believe that the didactic is only play or playing, and the didactic is another things, other things, or it's playing, but other thing. Um, uh, Three things about the didactic. Useful didactic use gains for teaching. Overall, when people want to learn a foreign language, if played with classmates, increase the learning. Skills in classroom guides don't have same abilities. By the way, didactic is very important. Didactic make the people love the teacher because an excellent in class, people encouraged to do better things. The third topic is pedagogy. Pedagogy encompasses all around the education and environments. The word pedagogy comes from the Greek word paidos. It means boy, and agogos, it means leader. Pedagogy is bigger than method and didactic. Pedagogy is the science of teaching. Pedagogy is the interaction between teachers and students. They are united through instructions. Pedagogy drives strategies and decisions about the way to learn. An example, the direct method. The direct method have rules, so cause people don't use native language, no use translation, and you build the knowledge. Didactic way, you can speak by interview, you can play without loss the objective. You see, method have or has didactic and, and the method too. Things taken into account for learners isn't the same if you teach to teens or teach to adults. The teens have a plasticity of brain, less logical thinking, better senses, peer pressures, uh, like entertainment activities. Um, in the adults, change things, stabilization of brain, and they have more logical thinking. They want solve problems. Um, they have long attention span. They dislike peer pressures. Well, thank you. Thank you for pay attention. Bye.